So, you guys reach this video, then you're interested in going through and possibly changing up some of the colors on your digital stencil. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Now, the key to changing colors on your digital stencil is that you're going to want to make sure that you're actually on the layer where that color is that you actually want to change. As you can see here, I'm in the shadows layer where there is a green color that I'd like to go in and change to something else. Now, with that layer being selected, I'm just going to go up to the very top of my screen where it says Image and mouse down to the tab that says Adjustment, and this pop-out menu comes, and you'll notice about 4 or 5 options down you have this option that says Hue Saturation. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and a menu pops up for us to be able to click and drag some stuff around. Now, sometimes this kind of gets a little confusing, so what I like to tell people is to make this a little less harder on you, go ahead and click the Colorize button, and this will make a little bit more sense when you go in and you start changing the actual hue slider or what color it is that you're trying to select. Like, for example, I want to go to maybe a regular blue, and then I have the saturation to bump that blue up a little bit more, and then of course lightness will make it a lighter blue, or darkness will take it down to a bit more navy blue. You can alter these options as much as you want with whatever layer that you're looking to go ahead and go in and try to change, and as soon as you're done you just go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, the now options of that blue color are there, and on that layer it went from green to blue. See ya.